Today's guest is new friend named John Natali. Okay, you are welcome. Please give me brief information about yourself.
My full name is Zulfikarlı Cennet Ali. I am 18 years old. I study in university. Which university? National Aviation Academy. And I study computer engineer.
Okay, you study. Tell me, are you happy being university?
Yes, I happy and I enjoy.
I enjoy. What's your faculty and profession in university?
Computer engineer.
Computer engineering. Okay, sure. Jonathan, talk about your free times. Talk about.
I have don't free time, but I have free time. I learn new words and I read book and I watching movie.
For example, do you go to football? Do you meet with your friend?
Yes, I meet my friends.
You meet your friends. Where do you meet with your friends?
Stadium or cafe.
In cafe and
Yes.
bakery. Absolutely. Well, next, your profession is computer science. Yes.
Yes.
Did you choose this profession yourself or
Yes,
your
I
parents?
choose. I choose.
Yeah, why did you choose this profession? Because this is big topic. There are many professions and faculties
Yes.
in the society. Why did you choose this faculty?
Because I like this position and I use computer and I very enjoy computer. I use computer.
Yes, you enjoy this, of course. Talk about your experience in West Academy. Before you didn't come here,
Yes.
you couldn't speak. And how could you improve your speaking?
I improve speaking with my teacher and new words, and I learn new words, speaking, reading, and watching move and listening music.
Listening music, thank you. Because many students call me teacher. I know grammar, I know words, but I cannot speak. What's the problem?
If I don't, if you don't,
Speak?
you don't speak,
You can't speak normal, yes?
yes,
You cannot speak. It's not normal, of course. And today, why do you learn English?
because it is a national language.
What about future plan? Do you have any future plan for learning or not?
I don't.
I don't have any.
Yes, I don't have any.
Of course, Mr. Good luck. What do you advise new learners in here? What's your advice?
I advise learn new words because it is very important.
It's the first new word.
Yes, and reading and
Reading is
listening.
listening.
Yes, because if listen to listening and I hear and speak.
Exactly. When you listen,
Yes.
you listen, and after you speak.
Yes.
Absolutely, bravo, well done. Talk about your daily routine. Understand? When you wake up, where do you go? Come, give me brief information. When do you wake up in the morning?
When you wake up, I wake up and I go to washing face and I eat. After I go to the university.
You go to university.
Yes.
Of course. Going and coming back to university is tiring or normal?
Some day tired, some day normal.
How mile between your home and your university? Do you have a long distance or
A long distance, long.
I have a long,
Yes, I have long.
long distance, of course. Which score did you get in university?
4044.